Life has a funny way of reminding people that space is never guaranteed. One day there is a guest room, the next day there is a guest, and nowhere for them to sleep. That is where a folding mattress quietly earns its place. The CYMULA folding mattress full-size 6-inch memory foam tri-portable trifold feels designed for exactly these moments, when flexibility matters more than perfection. At first glance, the appeal is simple. This mattress folds into 3 clean sections, compact enough to slide into a closet or travel bag without drama. A built-in handle makes it easy to move from room to room, car to campsite, or living room to bedroom. It does not beg for attention, and that is part of its charm. When folded out, it becomes a full-size floor bed. Fold one section up, and it turns into a lounge chair. Fold it again, and it disappears from sight. Few products understand modern living this well. Comfort is where skepticism usually shows up. Folding mattresses often promise softness and deliver regret. CYMULA avoids that trap with a thoughtful foam structure. The top layer uses 1.5 inches of 30D memory foam that adapts gently to different sleeping positions. It does not swallow the body, but it also does not fight it. Beneath that sits 4.5 inches of high-density 26D support foam, thick enough to keep the body lifted away from the floor. This combination creates a balance that many users describe as surprisingly comfortable, even better than an air mattress, without the sinking or wobbling feeling that ruins sleep. Firmness tends to divide opinions, but here it works in the mattress's favor. The support layer is denser than most floor mattresses, which gives it stability and structure. Adults can sleep on it without feeling cramped or unsupported, and it fits cleanly into Murphy beds where precision matters. Several users mention improved sleep quality, which is usually the most honest compliment a mattress can receive. Versatility might be its strongest argument. This mattress refuses to stay in one role. It works as a camping pad, a car bed, a guest bed, a toddler floor mattress, a futon, an RV mattress, even a yoga mat in a pinch. For small apartments, shared spaces, or people who move often, it becomes a quiet problem solver. It does not demand a dedicated room. It adapts. Durability also shows thoughtful design. The foam is CertiPUR US certified, offering reassurance about materials and construction. The cover is soft, breathable, and stitched tightly enough to survive repeated folding. A zipper allows the cover to be removed and washed, which feels essential for something meant to travel and live close to the floor. The anti-slip fabric on the bottom keeps the mattress from wandering across hardwood or tile, a small detail that saves a lot of frustration. Portability is not just marketing language here. Customers regularly mention how easy it is to take along for travel and car camping. When folded, it stores neatly in a closet, staying out of the way until needed. It arrives vacuum-packed, and after a short period of expansion and airing out, it reaches full shape without fuss. The CYMULA folding mattress does not pretend to replace a luxury bed, and that honesty works in its favor. It exists for real life. Unexpected guests, limited space, weekend trips, and quiet nights on the floor that turn out better than expected. It is practical without feeling cheap, comfortable without being indulgent, and flexible in a way that feels increasingly rare. Sometimes the best products are the ones that simply show up, do their job well, and fold themselves back into the background when the day is done.